Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in white platinum. It has camel leather trimmed seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has got a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It also has an FX4 off-road package, Lariat chrome appearance package, and a max trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as wood grain paneling. There's power locks, windows and mirrors, as well as power folding mirrors and memory for 3 different driver positions. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have an electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handles in the body making it easier to get in, and power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel is dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. This is a push start, so the key's in my pocket, foot's on the brake, and I'm going to push the engine start button. On the dash you're going to see any important messages as well as a menu, and you can toggle through my view, truck fuel, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you're seeing the branding for the B&O premium audio system, as well as a bin up there, and then you have hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for better fuel economy. This is a touch screen, you've got navigation, and it's also where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put your vehicle in reverse. As we slide through the settings, you can go into things like Wi-Fi hotspot. You also have your audio service, as well as sources that you can go into: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. Down below, volume and tuner, and there's your CD player. And below that is dual climate control for driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger, AC and max AC, front and rear defrost. Off to the side, you have 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. And down in the cubby you have a couple of USB outlets. You have an automatic select shifter, and you also have drive mode, and when you press this it'll appear on your dash. So normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. Your cup holders, you can see a little bit of a light there at the bottom. That's your ambient lighting, and it'll get even brighter when it's dark out. Your armrest opens up and there's a bin, you can take that out. More storage down below, as well as a 12 volt. Off to the side is a 12 volt and a 110 outlet. As well, you have a locking glove compartment. Up above, an auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your universal garage door opener, lighting controls, sunglass holder. There's a button that slides that power window in the back, and then on a nice day you can open up your sunroof simply by pushing a button. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, power deployed running board, chrome door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have your backup camera just below that handle and backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector and trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you want to open up that tailgate, you can do so by double clicking your fob. It powers it down for you, and inside you notice the box is nicely lined. It has tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link, and on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as wood grain inserts and power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand and it's in the upright position. Simply pull the clip and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. An armrest with a couple of cup holders in the center. Carpeted mats, as well as all-weather mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. And in the center console you have a couple of cup holders, 110, 12 volt USB outlets, air vents, as well as the controls for heated seats for the rear. Grab handles in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting in that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Chrome bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.